Let's put the wash. The wash is on. Oh, so until I get a wash, I'm gonna have a show. I'm itchy. Oh, I can't make myself. I can't. Ow. Okay. It's very dry. It's time to make my first show of me dying. No. First one. This mode. I cannot go. Oh, a video. Do this. What does this happen? This is the worst day. If you don't do this one more time, he's done for the rest of the day. Ha ha ha! Oh man! How about come? Run away!
Service here. Call people. What's going on your case right now?
No, not.
Brown buildings we went in. We had to go up the street there.
What was that?
When you come out of Princess and we take a right, we went up there. They had these brown buildings. That's where they do their work, whatever they call it, utility works or whatever. And we put a water bill, we got our.
No, I need to hurry.
We went over there.
And quickly rush.
That place there,
Do, do, do,
college life. Yeah. And they had like about 3 to 4 buildings and five each college.
Oh man, OMG. Oh gee. Holy full moon. I can't believe I saw Gidget. Well, her face. I saw scared of Gidget because she thinks she's trying to look at me so weird. Ah, ah. They think they're. I think they're. So let us be welcome to. Well, I'm in. Welcome to the Sickle movie. Ah, whoa! No! No! Why? If I could have toys only. Yes!
You done got my movie off, huh?
Can this leave me alone? Because I'm trying to make a video. It's blue. It looks blue. It's blue. What? What? Hey there. Just quiet, pillow. Okay. I'll try. How about I try? This one. Ah! 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 Ah!
Arrange to get there. All you can do.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
She got a lot of mold on the side. On your back.
Oh man, I'm so scared of this. I'm gonna just stand back up. That's so creepy. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I told you I'm so scared. Stop saying I'm not scared. I am, though.
Why would you be?
Because I saw this, that was so creepy. That's how I was doing it. Oh, gee. Holy man.
That's what he
did that again so much. I found so much.